What happens to your body if you take celery juice for a month daily? Hello there, welcome to our channel. This is Healthy and Harmonious. Celery is quite the popular vegetable. It's the active ingredient in many different types of dishes, such as celery soup or celery gratin, but what most people don't know is that celery is a member of the Apiaceae family, which means celery is related to vegetables such as carrots, parsnips, and parsley. Celery is filled with tons of healthy nutrients and fibers, and its crunchy stalk makes it an excellent healthy snack. But what will happen if you decided right now to take a cup of celery juice every day for a month? Well, the simple answer is your body would change drastically, but to know exactly how your body would change, make sure to watch the video till the end. Change in blood pressure. If you drink celery juice every day for 30 days consecutively, notice how I use the word consecutively. The very first change you would notice is your blood pressure would change, and it would change for good. Why? Because celery has a very high fiber content. A cup of celery juice has the same amount of soluble fiber in every serving as half a cup serving of cooked kale, a cup of chopped raw green bell pepper, half a cup of applesauce, 1 peeled kiwi fruit, or 3 tablespoons of wheat germ. When it comes to healthy fibers, no one in the vegetable game comes close to celery. Better digestion. Another change you might feel after drinking celery juice consecutively, again, notice I use the word consecutively, you will notice that you are spending less time in the toilet. That's because celery contains adequate amounts of niacin, or vitamin B3. Niacin is essential for the metabolism of food, including the production of gastric juices and the secretion of bile needed to digest food, which means celery boosts digestion, which leads to a proper bowel movement. Celery juice is a great laxative and keeps gut issues like bloating and indigestion at bay. Weight loss. Another benefit you might notice after taking celery juice is that you might start to notice that your pants keep getting a bit loose. Don't worry, your clothes aren't stretching, it's because your cholesterol levels are reducing, and cholesterol levels affect weight loss. Because celery has a high antioxidant content, and thus, it is known to lower the risk of high by preventing oxidation of LDL, or bad cholesterol. Well-hydrated body. When you are on celery juice, you should start to notice a number of changes simultaneously, such as your muscles and joints working better, a cool body temperature, soft and supple skin. That's because you are becoming properly hydrated, due to the fact celery is 95% water. Not only that, celery juice is also a great blood purifier and a great detoxifier also. Other advantages of drinking celery juice every day. Drinking celery juice every day for a month isn't enough to fully experience all the plentiful benefits of celery juice. These are a few of the many benefits of celery juice. Lowers inflammation. Celery has a dozen of beneficial antioxidants such as ferulic acid, caffeic acid, and quercetin. Celery serves as an effective home remedy for different types of inflammatory conditions, including liver and kidney infections, gout, joint pain, irritable bowel syndrome, skin disorders, and urinary tract infections. Prevents liver diseases. Celery helps reduce the buildup of fat in the liver. The nutrients in celery protect the liver and actually aid the liver in producing enzymes that help flush fat and toxins out. Celery juice does wonders when it comes to cleansing the liver and flushing out toxins. Prevent ulcers. Celery juice heals and activates the gut by balancing the hydrochloric acid, which aids and digests things faster and more efficiently. Celery juice helps raise the stomach's acid, which is essential to help break down food, especially protein, especially good for those on a protein diet. If your stomach acid is low, your body has to use more resources to digest the food, often making us feel tired and weak. Celery juice has the power to significantly replenish low levels of gastric mucus that is needed in the stomach lining to heal and prevent ulcers and acid reflux. Fights infections. Studies have shown that antimicrobial properties found in celery are great for combating infections and boosting the immunity. By reducing the uric acid, celery juice is very handy in fighting bacterial infections, helping prevent UTIs, bladder, and kidney disorders. High in nutrition. Celery is full of essential minerals and vitamins such as folate, potassium, vitamin B6, vitamin K, and vitamin C, which is great for the skin. The lutein in celery protects skin from the inside and prevents UV-induced damage. Not only that, celery's skin healing properties is very helpful in clearing up skin conditions like psoriasis and acne. Celery juice is alkalizing. Celery juice is considered as a herb and not a vegetable. The sodium and minerals found in celery are very alkalizing and greatly helps in balancing the pH level of your body. So get some celery juice today and start drinking to a healthy life. The question arises, how much celery juice to be taken every day? Just start out with 1 cup of 8 ounces of organic celery juice first, and then gradually increase it to 2 cups. If you have taken celery juice and felt any other benefits, leave them down in the comments. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to get the amazing videos from Healthy and Harmonious.